Hey guys, how are you doing? iOS 26 beta version brings tons of bugs, but with each beta, there are some improvements. But one problem that users are experiencing is the Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube app black screen issue since iOS 26 beta 1. I haven't experienced it with beta 1 and beta 2. It was working perfectly fine, but only with the beta 3 version I started to notice this black screen issue. It takes like few seconds to load the video. The audio continuously plays in the background, but all of a sudden some of the videos goes completely black screen. I have recorded and just wanted to show it to you how I'm actually experiencing. If you are also seeing the similar issue after updating to the iOS 26 beta version, then this is the main problem. Like, it is not the Instagram app side issue or Facebook app side issue. The same problem is happening with across the system with all the streaming apps. So my suggestion is to wait till iOS upcoming update fixes this problem. Otherwise, if it is bothering you much, if it is affecting your everyday routine workflow, then you may consider rolling back to the iOS 18.5 stable version, which is available as of now. I will leave the link to that video in the description and in the first comment that there is a way to downgrade without a data loss. Some users have confirmed that method works perfectly fine to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 without any data loss. For me, when I tested in my iPhone 12, I had some issues. I have explained that in the video. We'll leave that video link in the description in the first comment. You can check that out. Otherwise, I'm expecting the upcoming update to address and fix this issue. I have already submitted a feedback to Apple, also to Instagram, to consider fixing it at the earliest, because this will definitely affect the beta testers once the public beta is officially rolled out this week. I'm expecting either today or tomorrow. As said in our recent video, none of the troubleshooting steps are going to work or help right now to fix this Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube black screen issue, as it is clearly iOS 26 beta related problem. If you also experience similar issue, do share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.